Hello everyone, this is Dr. Praveen Tripathi and I'm very happy to introduce Dr. Prerna who got a score of 217 in the FMG examination and that too in the first attempt. Prerna, first of all, many congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. It is an honor to talk to you, sir.
I can see the bright smile on your face and that is the reward that you get after working
Yes,
so hard for
sir.
so many months. So, प्रेरणा बताओ बेटा कैसे पढ़ाई शुरू की, कब पढ़ाई शुरू की, सीरियसली पढ़ाई करना कब शुरू किया, हाउ मेनी मंथ्स बैक?
Sir, honestly, the moment Mission 200 started, that was when I started seriously studying. Because जब
Great,
हम जॉर्जिया में थे, we were getting classes for FMG. There were
great.
doctors coming to teach us. I used to go there because I didn't know कि खुद से how
Hmm,
do I prepare. But
right.
I went there because something is better than nothing. So I was like, okay, I can learn, I can make concepts. But I knew my friend had told me that you can join Mission 200. It is the best program you can get for FMG. And I was clear that I have to join that and I have to come back to India and start studying seriously. So, yeah, that's when the classes started. Actually, I started on August 4th batch, second batch. So I was already afraid that I am behind many
Um,
students. So, but it worked
But
out.
but but then you were able to do all the classes. You were regular with all the live
Yes,
classes.
that you guys used to tell us, like, you have to. I was clear, like, whatever you are telling us, you have to do this,
Mm,
I have to
mm,
do that. Vivek sir used to say there are no shortcuts. We used to take
mm.
it to heart. There are no shortcuts. We have to do it. So we did.
So Prerna, after getting such a good score and after following the program, if I ask you what exactly were the things in the program that helped you the most? So what would be your
The
answer?
most, I will say, the consistency of solving MCQs, because
Okay.
I would read my subjects, which the teacher, I would read my notes which you
Mm,
guys
mm,
were giving. But question solving was a major chunk of the exam. As our exam is purely MCQ based, I didn't know before
mm,
coming to India. I hadn't solved much questions, but late night PYQs, like from the start till the end, they grew. 25
mm,
questions were more than enough in the start, I feel,
mm,
because
right.
I was an average student. I didn't know I could do
Mm,
this, but you
mm, mm,
guys were there throughout. You were giving us
mm,
guidance. You were telling us you have to read all your notes, give all the
right.
GTs, and give all
Right.
the late night PYQs. That's what I did. I blindfoldedly believed whatever you are saying, I have to do this and I will get that.
And thankfully it turned out well for you, right? You
Yeah,
got a great score also. Uh,
thank
uh,
you.
so, uh, uh, Prerna, one issue that we often face while preparing for FMG exam is we are getting like 6 months, not even 6 months. We usually get
Yeah,
5 months for the
yes,
preparation,
sir.
right? So, ensuring that the concepts are strong enough
Mm.
so that you don't have to memorize everything
Yeah,
and ensuring three revisions at the same time. It becomes difficult to balance it
very
out, right?
difficult.
So that's why we thought of lap one, lap two, lap three, this is this program. So as a student who has gone through the entire process, do you feel that we were able to do justice? We were able to build concepts and at the same time ensure two, three
Yes,
revisions.
yes. Everybody was coming us कि you can do this. तुम यहाँ से पढ़ लो, तुम वहाँ से पढ़ लो. But you guys were telling us you have to trust your source.
Mm.
Because there are a lot of sources, there are a lot of
Ah,
platforms, there are a lot of teachers. Everybody is good. But we don't know. We can't trust
mm,
students over
mm,
teachers. That's what I used to
right.
believe. But the structure of Mission 200,
Mm,
I would say that's
mm,
what helped me most sit and
mm,
study,
mm,
because I knew that I had to join a class at 5 o'clock in the evening. So I had to get my things done before 5 o'clock. And after that, I have to solve questions. There is no other option. So that was, I guess, it's entirely a cerebellum success, I would say, because I just did it.
you are being too humble and
No, no,
you have
I
too much of credit.
know.
Finally, teachers are catalyst, and it's all the students who deserve all
All
the accolades.
all the
Prerna, I have this
teachers.
question. I have this question. Uh,
Yes,
when a student sits for live class for
yes.
5 hours, vis-a-vis trying to revise using a recorded video on their
Mm.
own, what exactly is better when you are attending a live class? How exactly does it help you? Because the content is more or less the same.
Yeah, but live class, I would say we interact with the professors first of all.
Right.
The
Right.
interaction very much build up because
Mm,
during the start also people were giving answers in the classes. That
Mhm.
shakes your motivation a bit, that you don't know. But the
Yeah,
professor used to say, you have to trust yourself. You are building your concepts right now. You will get to that point when you will answer.
right.
So that motivation kind of like grows
Mm.
chota when you do it on your own, when you see recorded lectures. But when you know that professors are there holding your hand,
Mm.
guiding you through your journey every
Mm.
step of the way, you're not alone. You guys were sitting us with us, right, till 12 o'clock, till 1 o'clock, no matter what. So that gives a boost. You have to do it.
Yeah, so kind of a feeling of, not being alone, that even
Yeah.
if we're all online, we are all together,
Yes,
right?
yes, true.
That's a very important thing. Later on, Prerna, when we moved to lab 2 and finally we started having Marathon FMG, the lab 3, revising with those labs, how easy was it? And did you do anything extra also, like in lab 2? We had classes in the evening. What would you do in the daytime?
I would solve questions like I had done that. My exam is from 9 till 11:30. I'll solve questions
Mm.
from 9 till 11:30. And if during the exam time, I'll make my questions shift.
Mm.
And उसके अलावा lab 2 में भी I stick to my lab 1 notes because it was getting difficult for me for the PDFs, and I couldn't wait for that कि कब आएगी
Right.
PDF. I knew every teacher was telling कि भाई सेम चीज़ पढ़ेंगे, सेम चीज़ करनी है, the content is the same, the material is the same. You guys would cut it out for us that you have to focus on this, you have to focus on this, but the chunk would remain the same. So I didn't
Yeah.
change my notes. I stick to lab 1 notes for as much
Because
as I could.
you are the second student who's telling me the same thing. The girl before you also told me the same thing, that I stuck to the lab one notes.
Yeah,
Mm.
because even a day before exam, I opened my lab 1 notes
Mm.
because I felt कि मैंने उस चीज को देख रखा है. Visual memory plays an important role. Maybe I won't remember everything, but maybe it might click. आप ही लोग बोलते थे कि जब तुम एग्जाम में जाओगे, you will surprise yourself how much you remember. So I believed in that one thing because it gave me hope that maybe I'm not remembering when I'm giving GTs, but I will remember in the main grand test which I have to give.
Exactly, the actual grand test, the one that
Yeah.
matters.
Yeah.
So Prerna beta, 217, that too in the first attempt, that too in a reasonably difficult paper. The paper was not as easy this time,
Mm.
right? So that shows that your concepts are very good, and this is a great achievement, no doubt. But we will celebrate completely and wholeheartedly when you get the same rank in NEET PG or INICT, right?
Sir, I
So,
wish with you,
nahin, nahin,
with you
that will
guys by
happen,
my
na?
side, I will do anything I feel.
That will definitely happen, beta. But one thing that I always tell a FMG student is celebrate, enjoy, but don't take your eyes away from the
Yes.
bigger goal and the next goal.
Yes.
So of course have fun. You did great. I'm sure you must have worked very hard. Take a week off, take 2 weeks off, and then get back to the game.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Uh, probably this journey would get over with you entering AIMS Delhi as a medicine resident or as a OBG resident or as a surgery resident, whatever it is. And on that day, the smile on your face would be even wider. I would
Yes,
be
sir,
waiting for
that's
that.
true.
Very proud of you,
Thanks.
beta. Very happy for
Thank you
you.
so much,
And
sir. Thank you.
please stay in the group. Please keep motivating your juniors. And please pay my regards to your parents. I'm sure they must be very proud of you.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
God bless you, beta.